Hello YouTube, and this is my Zippo trick. Well, this is, I don't know what you'd really call it, but it's kind of looks like this. And this is how you do it. Get your wick, kinda head towards the ground, very towards the back, kinda in a 45-degree angle, without touching the wall, chimney. And once you get it like that, you'll be able to grab the flame, and it'll still be here. Let me get up close so you can see down in it. If you can see it down in there. Then the air, the oxygen, will bring it back up. But be careful because the chimney gets really, really hot. So one more time for demonstration. Oh, my flint is out. Guess not.